This is how we're focusing our product development and how we think of our value prop and what we do with our product for our customers, which is, in another way, it's bringing the information in your agreements and your contracts to life. If I were to give you a stack of papers or I was to give you a stack of agreements, those are all individual documents, have individual pieces of paper, signatures that represent one thing individually. But if you collate them together, if you bring the information from those documents, there's a lot of insights that you can gather both in aggregate and actions that you can take individually with those agreements to help you make better business decisions, like not missing renewal dates, understanding how much you're contracted to pay quarter over quarter, all those sorts of things. So that starts at the beginning. We've got a nice 6-step process that leads to agreement intelligence. One is importing your documents. That obviously can start within Concord itself. We are a full cycle CLM where you can generate a contract, have it signed directly within Concord, and then it lives within Concord directly, or you can upload existing contracts, existing documents, agreements into Concord from other tools or systems. Then displaying and filtering the data in the inbox. So all of these contracts have different key information, key metadata. We can filter, sort, display those contracts directly within Concord. So I'm only looking at contracts that renew next month. I'm only looking at vendor contracts rather than sales agreements. That all gets filtered down in a clean view. Extracting metadata from contracts. This is where we introduce Concord's AI functionality, AI feature, where we can leverage artificial intelligence to scan through your documents and pull out key information like total contract value, renewal dates, contract start date, third parties, several other bits of financial information, but that's taking the manual data entry out of the equation and allowing us to do the work for you, both on an individual contract basis, and we can do a bulk extract for all of your existing documents that are in the system as well. From there, automating through workflows, basically saying, if a document looks like this, if a document has this bit of metadata, then do this, put it in this folder, alert this person about the renewal, the kind of automations that help your business run more efficiently, taking 20 minutes to build a workflow that will save everybody hours and time over the existence of that document. Reporting on the metadata in exports. Today, you can export all of your data out of Concord and do your own analysis within your tool of choice, Excel, numbers, Power BI, whatever. And we want to make sure that all of the data that lives within Concord is yours to use and to gather and glean insights from on your own. We are in the process right now of building more automated reporting directly, natively within Concord. But right now, it is quite easy to learn what you need to learn from Concord itself, from the data there. And then lastly, using the metadata in integrations. So in many ways, Concord is going to be the source of truth because that's where your agreements, that's where your documents actually live, but they need to talk to your other tools, primarily your CRM, so HubSpot, Salesforce, any other tool that can be connected by API, really. We can do a push-pull bidirectional sync through integrations to make sure the data that lives in Concord is talking to your other systems that matter.